Hi, I'm Chris with makeSEA. Thanks for trying Catapult. makeSEA and Catapult are the easiest way to get user-generated content onto Magic Leap for collaboration and sharing. It's as easy as saving your content to a makeSEA project space, joining your project with Catapult, and sharing your vision with the world. Let's give it a shot together. I'm going to create a demonstration project. I have some spatial content to add. A model of a house from CAD software. We work with most any CAD or BIM source, including popular tools like SketchUp. A 3D printable electric wind turbine. This one happens to be a 3D printable project at makeSEA. An airplane I downloaded from the internet. Content from most any 3D repository can be used. Plus a few other objects. I'll add a couple of videos too. A traditional 4x3 video and a 360 surround video, both in standard MP4 format. With Catapult, you can combine standard and immersive surround videos that can wrap your audience and the 3D objects that you display with easily captured content to enhance any project space. For example, try putting yourself inside the model of an airplane while adding a 360 surround video of an airport tarmac to feel like you're waiting in the plane for takeoff. Only your imagination will limit what you can do. I'm going to set the permissions for my project and add team members if I like. In this example, I'll make the project public. Now let's join the project using Catapult. When Catapult is first launched, you are asked to anchor your head pose. You can accept the default location when working alone. If you are in the same location with other users, makeSEA uses a simple image anchor to get everyone aligned so that you can have a common experience in the same location. Remote users can set their anchor wherever it is most convenient for them. I usually recommend using a table, with the arrows in the anchor image pointing away from you. A long table can also work. Once the scene is anchored, I log into my makeSEA account. This provides a list of projects I can join. When I select a project from the list, I enter a collaboration space for that project. Here's the one I just built. Anyone that has access to the project, team members, or in the case of my project, everyone, can join. We see each other as light bulbs, simple enough not to distract, but I know where the other people are looking, who they are by name tag. We have a sense for each other. I can also hear where everyone is spatially, whether they are to my left or right or behind me, etc. Notice to the right of the anchor image, there is a collection of objects arranged as if they are on an invisible bookshelf. This is where our 3D content appears. We also have shared lasers we can use to point things out to each other. To toggle your personal laser, press the home button on the control. To pick up an object, place your control inside the object. Pull and hold the trigger and move your control to the desired location. Let go of the trigger to place the object. You can also use your control to manipulate any object by looking directly at it. This is how Catapult knows which object you want to move. Press down on the top or bottom of the pad to move it closer or further away. Make a circle on the outside of the control pad ring either direction to rotate the object. Swipe your thumb up or down to raise or lower the object. Swipe your thumb right or left to scale the object up or down. You can also program more complex controls by using makeScene packages. You can learn more about this by visiting makesea.com. makeSEA is a place to store project collateral and keep track of evolving intellectual property for any subject matter, virtual objects, design plans at any scale, meshes of real-world locations, any type of documentation that needs a home. The use cases are endless. What's your use case, I wonder? Any change or update to a project space is tracked for attribution and versions so you can see the history and roll back if needed. 3D or spatial content that is checked into a makeSEA project becomes immediately available to view at any scale using Catapult and Magic Leap. Catapult also supports videos like this one, as well as immersive 360 surround video that can be used to wrap your content. Keep in mind that Catapult can work with content from any 3D authoring source. In most cases, you can save or export direct to GLB format. We are constantly updating our documentation to support new sources. If you're not sure, you can always ask our support staff for help. makeSEA also supports easy web page creation for Helio web browser on Magic Leap. When you create a project page, you can build an entire article around the 3D content and use makeSEA's WYSIWYG editor to quickly mark up the content for display on or off the page at any scale. Objects can even be animated or mixed together to create a scene. makeSEA is the fastest way to publish content for Magic Leap, as fast and easy as a social media post. makeSEA and Catapult are free to use for public projects and private collaborations with up to 2 users. We offer inexpensive individual user subscriptions as well as private installations for your company or institution. Ask your makeSEA or Magic Leap representative for more information. Hey, thanks for checking us out. With makeSEA and Catapult, the limits are your imagination. Show us what you can catapult today.